Welcome to the heart of purity, where precision engineering meets the art of cleanliness in a symphony of sterilization.
Our journey begins where the raw materials arrive, unblemished, yet awaiting their ultimate transformation. Each bottle carries a story, a journey from production, now ready for its meticulous cleansing process.
Before the wash, every bottle undergoes rigorous inspection, ensuring only the highest quality proceeds.
Automation gently guides each container, preparing them for an unparalleled cleaning journey, a ballet of precision.
First, a powerful rinse washes away surface impurities, preparing each vessel for its deeper purification stages. Every parameter is meticulously monitored in real time, ensuring optimal conditions for unparalleled cleaning efficiency.
Submerged in a heated, specialized solution, bottles undergo a thorough, deep cleansing immersion, preparing them for absolute purity.
Tiny bubbles, a silent army, meticulously work to dislodge impurities, ensuring every millimeter is purified. Emerging from their cleansing bath, each bottle gleams, ready for the crucial rinsing and sterilization phases. High-pressure purified water eradicates any remaining residue, guaranteeing absolute cleanliness, inside and out.
Witnessing the sparkling interior, a testament to our unwavering commitment to unparalleled hygienic standards.
Now, the ultimate test, thermal sterilization. Intense heat eradicates all microorganisms, guaranteeing absolute safety.
Within this intense vortex, every surface reaches critical temperatures, ensuring complete and unwavering sterility for every bottle.
Cooled and pristine, these sterilized vessels are now ready, a testament to our unwavering commitment to hygiene.
Each bottle, now a vessel of impeccable purity, reflects our unwavering dedication to the highest standards.
Advanced AI and laser precision scrutinize every bottle, ensuring nothing less than absolute perfection departs our facility. Our experts leverage holographic technology, digitally inspecting every intricate detail, ensuring structural integrity and flawless finish.
With unparalleled precision, robotic arms delicately transfer each pristine bottle, preparing it for its final, protective enclosure.
Each bottle receives a bespoke protective film, shielding its purity from the moment it leaves our care. Our brand's emblem is meticulously affixed, a symbol of unwavering quality and our commitment to excellence.
Organized with meticulous precision, each perfectly packaged bottle is prepared for its journey, ready for distribution.
From production line to vast warehouse, our pristine products are seamlessly transported, awaiting their final destination.
Our expansive automated warehouse, a testament to logistical mastery, ensures pristine storage for every single bottle.
Ready for their journey, our meticulously cleaned bottles embark, carrying our promise of purity to the world. Under the microscope, every bottle's internal purity is confirmed, a testament to our relentless pursuit of perfection.
Final blast of absolute drying air dryness.
Our bottles undergo a final, powerful UV light treatment, ensuring complete microbial eradication for ultimate safety.
The UV treatment leaves an invisible shield, ensuring every bottle's exterior is as pristine as its interior. Scientific validation confirms absolute sterility, a testament to our uncompromising standards for every single bottle.
Even after automation, human expertise provides the final, meticulous visual inspection, ensuring flawless quality. Invisible lasers meticulously scan every surface, detecting even microscopic imperfections, ensuring absolute structural integrity.
Thermal imaging confirms uniform cooling, a vital step ensuring the material's integrity and long-term stability.
Every label is applied with robotic precision, ensuring perfect alignment and presentation, a mark of our dedication.
The human touch, a final tactile inspection, ensures an unwavering standard of quality beyond mechanical detection. The tamper-evident seal, a final promise of untouched purity, guarantees integrity from our factory to your hands. As the sun sets, our commitment endures, delivering purity and excellence, shaping a cleaner, brighter future globally. Successful collaborations are forged, strengthening our global presence, bringing our pure products to new markets.
Connections are forged, partnerships initiated, as our brand extends its reach through professional excellence. Each pallet is meticulously stretch-wrapped, creating a robust, protective shield for secure and pristine transit worldwide. Robotic arms flawlessly assemble multi-packs, ensuring efficient grouping and pristine presentation for every product.
Our supervisors meticulously verify every multi-pack's dimensional accuracy, guaranteeing perfect consistency and presentation.
Our logistics experts orchestrate global distribution, meticulously tracking every shipment for timely, efficient delivery. With a precise scan, each pallet is digitally verified, marking its dispatch and journey towards its destination.
From our advanced facility, our products embark on their global journey, reaching discerning consumers worldwide.
Finally, on elegant display, our meticulously cleaned bottles await discerning consumers, a testament to purity.
The moment of choice. A consumer reaches for quality, selecting purity from our meticulously prepared collection.
Our logo, a symbol of trust, glimmers with the promise of unparalleled purity and exceptional quality.
From factory to home, the journey culminates in satisfaction, a testament to our dedication to purity.
Ready for your home, our pristine bottles seamlessly integrate into your daily life, promising pure refreshment.
The journey of renewal begins. A gentle pre-rinse prepares each bottle, loosening impurities with care. Inside, water swirls, gently coaxing away initial debris, preparing the bottle for its deeper purification.
Gentle, rotating brushes meticulously scrub every exterior, ensuring a pristine surface for ultimate presentation.
Enveloped in superheated steam, each bottle undergoes a powerful wash cycle, annihilating all hidden impurities.
Our engineers precisely calibrate chemical concentrations, ensuring maximum cleaning efficacy without compromising integrity.
A specialized rinse agent ensures a streak-free finish, preparing each bottle for impeccable, spotless drying.
Powerful air knives instantly strip away every droplet, guaranteeing a perfectly dry, spotless surface every time.
Infrared heaters provide the final touch, eradicating every trace of moisture, ensuring absolute dryness and clarity.
Emerging impeccably dry, each bottle gleams, a testament to our meticulous process, ready for final verification.
A final human touch, a meticulous visual check, ensures every bottle meets our stringent quality standards.
Internal logistics move perfected products, ensuring seamless transfer to the next stage of our meticulous process.
Under intense magnification, the bottle's pristine interior reveals absolute smoothness, a triumph of our rigorous process.
A complex ballad of conveyors guides each bottle, seamlessly flowing towards its ultimate destination, the filling lines. Now, the moment of transformation. Each bottle enters the filling line, ready to receive its precious contents. With volumetric precision, each bottle is filled to perfection, a seamless flow of pure, pristine liquid.
The liquid perfectly meets its mark, a testament to our unwavering commitment to volumetric precision and quality.
From filling to capping, a seamless transition ensures each bottle is perfectly aligned for its protective seal.
Robotic precision swiftly seals each bottle, securing its contents, ensuring freshness and absolute integrity.
Every cap's torque is meticulously checked, guaranteeing a perfect, secure seal and preserving product freshness. A perfectly sealed cap, a promise of freshness and integrity, now protects the pristine contents within. Before branding, each capped bottle undergoes a final, meticulous visual inspection, guaranteeing absolute perfection.
Guided with robotic precision, each bottle enters the labeling machine, poised for its distinctive brand identity.
Our branding specialists oversee every detail, ensuring perfect label alignment and impeccable brand representation.
A high-speed laser etches a unique serial number, ensuring permanent traceability and unwavering quality assurance.
A final human inspection ensures every label is flawlessly applied, reflecting our brand's commitment to perfection.
Robotic precision gently places each labeled bottle into custom-fit packaging, ensuring luxurious presentation and protection.
Each luxurious package is meticulously sealed, a final protective layer for our pristine products.
Within our meticulously organized warehouse, finished goods are expertly moved, awaiting their global dispatch.
The final seal of approval. A quality control stamp confirms every package meets our exacting standards.
With strategic precision, our logistics team orchestrates global shipping, delivering purity to discerning customers worldwide. Across vast oceans, our products journey, ensuring global accessibility for impeccable quality and purity.
Arriving at bustling global ports, our products mark their presence, ready for distribution to diverse markets.
Through vibrant city streets, our branded vans deliver purity, making our products accessible to every community.
A satisfied customer, a testament to quality, chooses our pristine product, valuing its unparalleled purity.
Presented as a luxury gift, our impeccably cleaned bottle embodies thoughtfulness and unparalleled quality for any occasion.
In refined settings, our bottles are presented, a testament to exceptional taste and discerning quality.
With refined service, the pristine liquid flows, a symbol of luxury and an experience of unparalleled quality.
A moment of pure enjoyment, a toast to quality, as our pristine product enhances every celebration.
To the most elegant evening. Salud, mi amor!
Perfectly chilled, each bottle gleams with condensation, a refreshing promise of purity and exquisite taste.
A single dewdrop, a tiny journey of purity, reflects the exquisite freshness contained within each bottle.
To life, love, and unforgettable nights. Cheers, everyone!
Across illuminated cityscapes, our brand shines brightly, a beacon of purity, recognized and trusted worldwide. Every label undergoes rigorous adhesion testing, guaranteeing it remains perfectly affixed, a testament to durability.
Even the tiniest imperfection is detected, ensuring only flawless products proceed, upholding our zero-tolerance policy.
A final dual verification, human and automated, confirms every multi-pack's unwavering quality before shipment.
The final approval sticker, meticulously placed, signifies our unwavering commitment to quality, ready for shipment. Vast pallets, meticulously prepared, stand ready for global dispatch, carrying our promise of purity worldwide. Securely loaded into branded containers, our products embark on their international journey, reaching global markets.
The final robust security seal guarantees tamper-proof integrity, safeguarding our products throughout their long journey. With a final nod of approval, our containers embark, carrying our promise of purity across continents.
Our branded vessels set sail, traversing oceans, delivering the essence of purity to every corner of the globe.
At prestigious exhibitions, our brand stands proudly, showcasing unparalleled quality and pristine products to the world.
Discerning clients examine our products, appreciating the meticulous craftsmanship and unwavering commitment to quality.
Connections are forged, partnerships initiated, as our brand extends its reach through professional excellence.
Successful collaborations are forged, strengthening our global presence, bringing our pure products to new markets. As the sun sets, our commitment endures, delivering purity and excellence, shaping a cleaner, brighter future globally.